Under the umbrella. Umbrellas are very enchanting. There are many types of feelings associated with an umbrella. Something to protect us from falling rain or too much sun seems simple, but it is enchanting. There is the enchantment of a lonely figure, most likely a woman, carrying an umbrella when she is walking by herself in the rain. It looks so melancholy. We are curious over who she is, why she is alone. Is she sad? She enchants us with her mystery. Who is she? Another umbrella enchantment is a romantic couple under an umbrella together, walking amongst leaves in the rain, along a tree-lined city street, down a country lane, under the stars, both under the same umbrella. They usually stop to kiss one another under that umbrella. So romantic. You are enchanted by their love. Some dream they can have such a moment under an umbrella, or the lucky ones recall their own romantic umbrella moments. Which are you? Then there is the umbrella enchantment that captures the feeling of art. A lone umbrella loose in the wind, flying away towards somewhere unknown. Artistic, something beautiful. We ask ourselves so many questions. Where is the umbrella going to land? Who lost the umbrella? Where are they now? Standing somewhere, alone in the rain, wondering. There is the dangerous kind of umbrella. When the storm rages in a darkened sky, and lightning comes dangerously close. The umbrella that invites that electrical charge. It requires a certain level of bravery to use an umbrella then. A need to protect ourselves from the rain, more important than the concern we may invite lightning. What sort of person are you? Do you brave the possibility of a lightning strike to protect yourself from the rain? Do you play it smart and leave the umbrella behind and allow the rain to fall on you? I have done both, but I'd advise you to choose rain. It is, after all, just water. You may even enjoy it. Is there anything more enchanting than rain? I love rain. Whatever type of umbrella story you have, perhaps now you believe an umbrella enchants.